Hey, welcome to Vlogmas number 22. So we have a new video for today. This video is we're going to review scents from Choo Choo Beauty. So kung gusto niyo pa na itong video na ito, just keep on watching.
So Choo Choo Beauty released their fragrance line. Ito. So meron silang apat. First date. Then Just My Type. Tapos Skip a Beat. And Catching Feelings. So we are going to test this for Catching Feelings. This is more on kung gusto mong umamin sa crush mo. Pwede itong scent na to sa totoo lang. Kasi si Catching Feelings ay more on the bright citrus, pink pepper, jasmine iris, and warm vanilla tone yung scent ni Catching Feelings. Then next one, si First Date. Si First Date naman, amuhin natin si First Date.
Lolo ko
Si First Date ay may amoy. So, ito ay may pagka-citrusy scent, floral scent, and musk vanilla. So, floral and vanilla na pinagsama itong si First Date. Parang, ito yung dupe ni Miss Dior. Guys, ito yung dupe ni Miss Dior. Next scent, this is Just My Type. So, si Just My Type, ito yung may pagka-saffron, tapos may sugar and amber gold. Kung gusto ko sabihin na type kita, crush kita, I love you, ito ang scent na dapat mong suotin. And lastly, next scent, last scent of all, this is Skip a Beat. Then, Skip a Beat, ito yung least talaga na sa apat. Because this is more on the violet scent, sandalwood, and fresh bergamot, cardamom yung amoy niya. Ito yung least sa apat na scent sa Choo Choo Beauty. So, ang pinaka-favorite ko na scent ay actually my top two are, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko, si First Date. Kasi, ito yung masusuot ko siya araw-araw. Kasi ito yung nagbibigay siya ng Miss Dior vibes. Gusto ko yung amoy ng Miss Dior. Kung naghanap kayo ng cheaper price ng Miss Dior, ito na siya. Then, contender siya on me. This is Just My Type. Ito yung gusto ko, type kita, crush kita, I love you. Ito yung scent na ma-recommend ko sa iyo. So, that's it for my Choo Choo Beauty Heartstring Scents review. See you on my next vlog. Bye!